Guys, would you just look at that? Look at the way it hangs. How incredible is that? So many bones. It's so hard to lay down. We've got a beautiful print here. Look at this. A dead dragon. Look at that. So let's get this off the bed. So can I just give you this? And it's printed in PETG on a wham bam texture sheet. Let's give this a nice flex. It's got a lot of articulation points. So let's see if we can remove it. Got to be gentle with this one because I know this is very fine. This. Okay. Okay. Trying to be gentle. Okay. And this is quite a fragile print because look how small those limbs are. Let's focus on this for now. Look how cool that is, this one. Let's do a bit of flexing here, but I want to be very gentle. There we go, don't want to break it. There we go. There we go. Look at all those different points. Lovely.
Ferry ticket to America. Let me check. ¿Hay tiquetes para ahora? Not for today, for tomorrow. What time?
What time?
7 o'clock in the morning.
That's fine.
That's the last ferry. Okay.
Seven, yeah.
How much? That would be $5,000. 5,000. Yeah, 5,000. Yeah, it's the only way to go.
$5,000 is a lot of money.
Yes, I know, but this is the only possibility.
Guys, would you just look at that? Look at the way it hangs. How incredible is that? So many bones. It's so hard to lay down. Okay, so just another quick video of all the different dragons that I printed this time, so have a look at that. This one's got to be my favorite. It's the dead skeleton dragon. Flower, rose, crystal, oriental, sea serpent, woodlands, and I've got a few more that I'm printing right now as we speak, but just look at this dead one. I love it so much. Look at that. Look how it articulates. It's so cool. The oriental, look at that. Rose one with all the petals. Crystal. This is a tiny version. I need to do a bigger one. Woodlands. Look at that. Sea serpent. Oh my god. Love them.